What's up, everybody? Jules here with Little Dutch Girl Custom Creations plus Decals, and today I'm actually working on something I came up with last night, and that is a Decal Peeling Workstation. And if you've seen my videos before, you see me working on this big slab of white marble, and it's just awkward because I can't put my tools on it because they roll off. So I thought of this idea last night, and I just grabbed a scrap piece of plywood I had laying around, and what I did is, let's see if I can zoom in here so you can see my lines. Alright, so what I did is I measured up from the bottom to this line is 13 3/4 inch all the way across. And then, as you can see here, this is where my little compartment's going to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave about a 1/2 inch border right here, and then router all of this middle section out so I can keep my tools and stuff more organized. And then these little circles here are actually for my PVC pipe that I cut. Sorry, I couldn't get it. As you can see, I cut them in 45-degree angles at top and bottom. And this is scrap 3/4 inch PVC I had laying around. So what I did is I'm going to router these ovals out just a little bit to indent them, and then I'm going to put these, I'll probably glue them in, and the purpose of these is for like my pick and my like this is my main go-to X-Acto knife that I use all the time, and I didn't even have this out here when I cut the PVC pipe, but luckily it just fits in there perfectly. And as you can see, it sits at a, let me zoom out just a little bit, it sits at an angle, so it's like super easy just to pull it out, and then when I don't need it, it's put away, and the blade is securely put away, and it's not going to roll out anywhere. So, also, before I forget, I'm going to put these little earth magnets that you can get at Harbor Freight is where I got mine. They're just really small magnets here, but they are super strong little magnets. What I'm going to do is I'm going to probably put 4 across the top and bottom, and then just 1 in the center on the sides. So what it's going to do is, let me zoom in here just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's see, I'll put one about, I'm actually probably going to put them like in random spots because I do different sizes of decals. So what I'm going to do is, like if I do a 12 inch piece, just draw a circle here, and then I'll just drill a hole a little bit thinner than the magnet, so it like sits flush with the wood, and then so we'll have a magnet in the wood, and then I'll put my vinyl on it, and then just put another magnet on top. And as you just probably seen there, it just like sucked it up. They're powerful little magnets. But I'll go through and I'll put them across the sides and probably a couple in the middle, just so depending on what size decal I'm working with, it's hold it down instead of using masking tape, because like I said, if you've seen my previous videos, I've had to redo my I had to reset the tape, re-stick it down. So what I'm doing here is I'm just using my level here and drawing my border line where I'm not gonna router out, just so, I don't know, makes it look a little neater if there's a lip. And if there's a lip, my tools won't roll around as much. But as I get farther on this build, that's the overall design. I just need to finish marking everything, and then I'll start drilling holes and get my trim router out and just router this section out and router these down a bit. And when I get to getting ready to do that part, I will make another video, and I hope you guys follow along with me, because I'm gonna do so many different DIY projects and tutorial videos for you guys on different things. And if you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below and click on the little gray bell icon so you guys get notifications every time that I upload a new video. And I'm gonna do my best to do a video. I'm gonna shoot for 3 times a week, hopefully, if things go the way they're supposed to. And everybody's subscription means everything to me. It helps me be able to continue making these videos for you and giving you guys creative ideas that I've never seen, or I put my spin on a current one. Like I said, I'm just going to be doing different kinds of videos. And every new subscriber helps not only me, but it also helps my channel stay active, and also helps it to start growing. So I hope you guys are enjoying my videos so far. I'm just starting out with this, so I'll get better as I go along. Until the next video, thanks for watching, and take care. What's up, everybody? Jules here with Little Dutch Girl Custom Creations plus Decals, and this is the finished part of the magnet section. As you can see here, I put 12 in there because I do different size decals. So now I'm going to be working on zoom in here. This middle section here, you can see I drilled a hole And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my router and router the square out. You can see the inner lines is, I'm going to router all of this out. And then I will come back when that's done and show you how it came out. This is what the section looks like after I routered it and used my Dremel with the sanding pad on it. Now I'm going to, let me zoom in here. Oh, wrong way.
Now you're going to put pieces of PVC pipe in to hold your knives.
Now I'm going to router this middle section out. So when I put the PVC pipe in, that part will still be sticking up, so it'll add more support inside the PVC pipe to hold it better. And I will show you that once I get it done. Oh, I will be using my Dremel to do this part. And this is the holes, which is the outer part Dremeled out. So next step is I'm actually going to put glue on a piece of PVC pipe and then stick them in like that, and then I'll glue them in, and they're not perfectly circular or rounded or anything because it's basically just going to be me seeing it, whereas if I was building one for someone else it would be a lot neater. And then after I get those glued in, I'm more than likely going to stain the whole thing, and I will make a video of that part when I get that done.